This is the SQL Server security and encryption module, and in this video we are going to discuss about the asymmetric encryption. Asymmetric keys are used for securing the symmetric keys. In the symmetric encryption, we have already discussed in the previous videos that the symmetric encryption is the simplest way to encrypt and decrypt the data. This method is using only one key for encryption and decryption. So this is the simplest way and the fastest way, but it's not the secure way. To make secure this symmetric key, we are using the asymmetric encryption. This is the one purpose, and we can also use this asymmetric encryption to encrypt the data and also for signing the database objects. Asymmetric encryption using the two keys. One is the public key and the other one is the private key. This public key is used for encryption, and we can share with anybody this public key who want to encrypt the data. But the data can be decrypted by only the private key, and this key is the private key. Only the owner of the key can decrypt the data. So now what is the scenario is this one. This is the user A who want to send the data after encryption to the B. So the B have the public key and the private key. This A will ask to the user B that he want to send some data after encryption. So B will use the share the public key with A, and then A will encrypt the data by using this public key, and then the data will be the ciphertext. And now the data received by the B in this encrypted format. This is the ciphertext. B is the owner of the private key, so B can only decrypt the data. So B will use the this private key to decrypt the data. So this is the more secure than the symmetric encryption, because the we are not sharing the private key. Private key is only with the owner who can decrypt the data. So this is the more secure, but it's also the slowest way for decrypting the data, because it's using the keys is more strong. The more strong key, it will be more resource intensive. More resources will be used, so it will be slow. So now we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio to see how to encrypt the data by using the asymmetric encryption.